nkoma ebunye yenu si ajide nke oji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ga-adị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma nọrọ Ifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma n'ọrụ Ifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma n'ọrụ Ifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erighị anyị front and back ndị oche eli anyị front and back faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu Ifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi deep consultation. Nkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration evangelical mission. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ordinary evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, the hour of truth. No that one kills you. Today's topic is solution. When you are having problems, knowing your guidance angel's name. Solution when you are having problem, knowing your guidance angel's name. Yes, that is today's topic. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Today is the 1st of October. Those of you that join us in September rituals will receive videos of the concluding part of month of September. Only on your WhatsApp number only. As you all know, we don't share testimonies or our spiritual work in the temple on social media because it's not necessary. It's not why we are here. So if you are interested in joining for the month of October, people have started booking for the month of October because it's a monthly ritual. So you can still join within the month. This morning I have gone to the temple to make declarations upon the lives of those that join us. You can join anywhere you are. Distance is never a barrier in any of our work in the temple because you can't go to everything. On the last day of October, we visit the waters to offer sacrifices on behalf of all. And we proceed back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers on behalf of all. If you are interested, what we do is sacrifice for upliftment, breakthrough, and liberation. What we will do is to chat me on WhatsApp, make token donation to the account number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 78 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672 or 0813 I repeat, 0813 N'aha Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, anyị ekwu okwu ngozi on behalf upon the lives of friends of the temple and children of the temple, and upon the lives of those that join us, our fans all over the world. As you are joining us, telling people about our administrations, sharing it on social media platforms, may Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile bless you abundantly. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. N'aha Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye kere nation aka ya ga-esi. Let's now move into today's lecture proper. Today's lecture, most people are having challenges to know the name of their guardian angel, Chionyowa. Many people normally come to me, especially people that came to Eze-Ana newly. They will always want to know who is my reincarnator. I want to know his name or her name. My brother, my sister, that is not the first thing you need to know once as a new convert. Yes. Problem people normally have is that they will not pay attention to the right thing, what you need most. Yes. You cannot leave what you need most and be chasing shadows. No. Let me tell you what you need to do. As a new person or then a convert, as a new person, a seeker in this Igbo spirituality, what you must do first, when you have finally accepted to follow the path of your ancestors, what you need to do first is to align with your chi and the other spiritual forces. And what you need most is not the name of your guardian angel, your chi. The name of your guardian angel will not solve your problem as a newcomer. Example, on your part, you have negative vibrations. You have urabut. You have other problem that is so enormous on your part. You have not built bridges. In fact, you have made so many enemies when you are on the other side because you committed lots of abominations without knowing, maybe knowingly or unknowingly, therefore making more enemies on your part. Now, because we are living in the world, you have been wandering in the darkness part. You have not been aligned. You have not adjust yourself with the luminous height. You have not adjusted yourself with the light, the elemental beings from the light region. Because like I always tell you, we have beings from the light regions and we have beings from the dark regions. How you live your life determines the spirits you were attracted to. Yes. So all this, once you have repented and return back, what you need first is to do the appeasement, the atonement, restitution. All these are basic things you need to do in order to align and build bridges with these entities. Let me give you an example. I would like to illustrate some certain things. People that understand my teaching, from time to time, I normally like to analyze it in a way you will understand it, because I understand that all of us are not at the same level spiritual wise. Now, maybe because of your lifestyle in the past, yes, when you are still in the wilderness of ignorance, you have committed a lot of abnormalities. You have been going around living in sin, thinking that you are having fun, committing money atrocities, therefore entangling yourself more with the negative vibrations. So when you eventually return to your root, what you need to do is, first of all, begin with your spiritual exercise by creating time to face the east. I keep saying it because it's the basic. All the world all over believe in one thing: meditation. That is the more reason why some religion created what is known today as chaplets or something similar to it. Chaplet or something similar to chaplet encourages meditation. It's just an avenue for you to always meditating on the mysteries or whatever you are saying during that chaplet of a thing, in order to, as in, harmonize your spirit in one direction. So that is the essence of it. So once you come back to Eze-Ana, one first thing you must do is one, recognize the east. I keep hammering on it. You know why? East is Onwanyang Ebike Siabia, the fountain of grace and radiations. That is why even if you go to a real Libya, you always see where they anchor the light. In Igbo spirituality, we call it Anyanwu na Eze-Enu. Anyanwu na Eze-Enu. Yes. So because Anyanwu represent the power, the luminous power of the Almighty Father. Because after creating the world, said there was darkness everywhere. He said, let there be light. His light. So every light illuminates from him. So his light. That's why we have Anyanwu na Eze-Enu. Even at temple, you will still see it. Or let me explain it so that you understand how the thing look like. If you go to any spiritualist in Libya, you always see where they put something like flag. Yes. Under the flag, you will say something like Oite, Eba in the middle, and so on and so forth. That is Eba Dola Anyanwu na Eze-Enu. Yes. So for them, where Anyanwu na Aba. Based on this. So minus that one, if you go to any other world temples, you will see where they build something like that as anchorage of light. So we build something like dome in their temples within the altar region, and you will see where they make provision for radiation of the light in the altar. What they are trying to do is to anchor from those lights that radiate via the altar. So you will see in every religion, you will see atom of trying to connecting themselves with the powers of the light, the east. And that is the that is the reason why most temples, if not all, build their temples to face the east. Maybe you don't know. And that is the more reason why the Omunai Nebisina, the face is east. Whether I'm one acha and one other. So the face is. You know why I want to digress a little? Why I want to digress a little is to lay foundation of what I want to do. So you first, what you need to do and how to know the east is in your compound. Wake up in the morning around 7, 8, 9, 10. That side I won't say charity is the east. So whether you are inside the room or you are outside, face that direction. That is the first step. Create time. It could be morning, afternoon, or night, because east remain east at your comfort of your home. First the east. Call upon your ancestors. Call upon your money. They're gonna have you. Call upon all of them. Tell them that you, example, if I knew Kongo, Wa Okaf, na Noba, I don't know what it is. Come on, no. I don't know road. I'm pleading for direction. Lead me to the right path. Lead me to the right mentorship. Lead me to the right person that will mentor me in this path. I'm a new person in this journey. My families, they are no longer with each other. Therefore, I don't have anybody to mentor me in my family, but I'm relying on you, my ancestors, to lead me to the right person that will be mentoring me. I have come back to the root with all my heart. Say this prayer, yes, and keep doing this thing. If possible, fix a time, a particular time that once you hit that time, you face the list. You leave whatever you're doing. Believe in me, it shows seriousness. Once you start doing this, the entities of powers will see the seriousness in you and they will begin to guide you properly. Once they begin to guide you properly, then what you will do is this: pay attention to all they are saying. Once you pay attention to all they are saying, begin to tell them, call upon Yachi, your guardian angel, tell them that you have come back to your root. Like what I did when I came back. I came back, I called my guardian angel, I said, I have come back. I have made up my mind to answer my call. Lead me on the right path. By so doing, guide me on the right path. Once they see the earnestness in you, believe in me. Once they see that you are earnestly seeking for the truth, believe in me, Yachi will direct you to a mentor. Or God direct you to the beggar balagafa. Yes. Or direct you to the beggar balagafa when he came through somebody, or through social media, or through television, or through whatever. But after listening to what the person is saying, you will notice that your mind is at peace with him. Then, and your mind leads you to listen to the person and to pay attention to the person. Pay attention to the person 100%. What the person, tell the person that you want to consult Alpha. That's all. Yes. The person will first of all run general Alpha for you. Not Alpha you first. At least to know where your problem is coming from. Whether there is iniquity in your part, negative vibrations, or the nose of him, or the nose of the negative vibrations. What you check first? Check the cordial relationship between you and Yachi. Is Yachi standing by you? Or is Yachi abandoned you because of this or that? After checking that one, the person will now check normally Mando or the. Yes. After checking all those things, the person will now check your root. How is your root look like? Is there any entanglement that is coming for your root? Maybe because of abominable thing that was done in your root. Maybe if you don't know if there is any sacrilegious act committed in your family that you are involved. You check all that. And now check the relationship between you and the leech. Check your relationship between you and the other inmates. Those inmates will include ndị ọgbanje, ndị ụwanye, ndị otu, ndị mmiri gị, ma ọ bụ ndị all the other elements. From there, I check through your agwo and rest of them. All those things is what is important. To know exactly where your problem is coming from. That is what's important. You cannot leave the head and start arranging some certain things for your buttocks. It's wrong. So what I'm saying is that nada happy is you and worry card. What you need to do is to look elsewhere. It's like when I keep telling you that Alpha is like spiritual lab. It's lab. So when your all is not well with you, and you explain this to your physician, what the doctor will do, you write down labs, the possible cause of those what you complain about. You now run those checks. So it's not one thing. That's what I'm saying. But what of you? I want to about me more normal. I told me my hair. Oh, come quick. Is it how things is done? No, it's wrong approach. And by so they maybe because of iniquities, because of negative vibrations, because of your hands are soiled in blood, because of so many things, even your chi is not showing up. So many things can cause your chi not to be showing. And there's countless things that can make your chi not to be active. And I will mention a few of them. So sometimes you people are putting confusion to yourselves, which is not necessary. Let me give you another example. Some people normally in Alpha, what the person needs to know is to have your name. Maka na afọ onye na-achọji ya. To have your name. 2, to know your root. That is why the person will ask you your surname, your town name. Do you know why the person need all these things? The person need all those things to use your name, a native name gi, eji mara gi na mmụọ. Then the name of your fathers, the surname, in order to trace your link, and the town name, in order to connect with Eze-Ana Bendag. Are you following? That is why if the person want to do that, he will call upon his own forces. Him that want to consult that will call his own forces, and now call the forces, your own forces, your children, and then Nageha, Eze-Ana Bendag, to come and reveal all they need to say concerning you. Are you following? So by doing so, the person will be able to know exactly what is the problem. Is Eze-Ana Bendag not happy with you? All those things is what you need to know. So there are so many things that will make it difficult to find out your Chionyo at the first instance. So it is not what you need first. What you need to do first is to know the relationship with your Chi and your Izmates. Know if there is abomination on your part. Do insult, do all those, etc. and etc. Aligning with your Chi and your spiritual forces. Know where you have wronged them. Do appeasement. Start from them and be on a state of mind, good state of mind with them. Then after establishing, you must have established good relationship with them. Now, the second phase is the phase of that you want to know who their guardian angel is. I can tell you, some people after aligning with your forces, by so to equal some of those things, so normally encounter their guardian angel. Yes. Their guardian angel will visit them. Some by doing spiritual exercise, you will see this particular old man or old woman that normally visits you or help you whenever you find yourself in danger. And if you have spiritually awakened to some certain level, you will be able to summon courage to ask, who are you? You have been always help me whenever I find myself in danger. Please, can I know your name? Who are you? Some of them will tell you, my son, I'm your reincarnator. Yes, I have the mandate to always look after you. I'm your Chi. Are you following? So that is the thing. So some people, it have happened to many people. Their guardian angel will visit them after making peace with their spiritual forces. However, even if their guardian angel did not come and show you him or herself, that it have not happened to you does not mean that it does not happen to others, because there are some people that are mystic in nature. Now, whether he show you or her show you herself, then or not, what you need is building personal relation first. Make sure that no iniquity that is blocking your path any longer. That is, nothing is preventing you from building bridges and alignment with your spiritual forces. After learning this one, then what again you will do is, for the fact that you have built peaceful agreements, you are in good terms with them now, they might show you, that your guide might show you himself or herself. Now, if that's not done, keep on feeding your Chi without calling anybody name. If you have not done proper Chonyo, yes, and I can tell you that whenever the proper Onyo name is discovered, there must be Iyarema, must be something good that will happen after feeding him or her. Instead of you to call upon another person and feed another person in ignorance, it's better if you do not call anybody name. Example, Nobody, your guardian angel knows you, but you are the one that doesn't know him or her. So what you will do, iwe ni ọkụkọ eni chọrọ igbu ha kpọkọchie onye ụwa m n'ụbọchị tata. Example na-ewu ịma ya ụbọchị amụrụ gị n'iwu oke afọ, tata bụ ụbọchị afọ, akpọkọ mmụọ onye na-eri oke n'ụbọchị afọ na tata bụ ụbọchị afọ na mụnwa oke afọ na-akpọkọ gị uche onye ụwa m, onye ọbụla ịbụ nwoke, ịbụ nwaanyị, si n'ikwu nne m, si n'ikwu nna m, gị na ike nga gị gbadata n'ụbọchị taa. M na-echukwu ụnụ ka mụ na urikọ kwudorunu m, ịyọbazie ha ihe ndị ọzọ dị. The same thing ka ị ga-ekwu with kola ma ọjị ma nzu ma edo ma ihe niile ma nkwụ iji wee bịa. The same thing ka ị ga-ekwukwa mgbe ị ga-egbunye bụ anụ igbusizie ya, isie nyara ji, ịbịa kpọchara ha nke ị ga-akpọrọ ha at the end of the day, then irizie nke ọzọ, ị mara gị na ha erikọ. Ịghọtara ya? So what I'm telling you is that the right thing to do, if there is always confusion knowing the real person that reincarnated you, so many things cost it. If alone or to the nose of a negative vibration, it might be cause of it. Yes, because you need to clear your negative vibration on your part so that your chi will begin to manifest and begin to follow you about. If you have already been at peace with your chi, maybe you have done all the spiritual work you need to do and fed your chi without calling anybody name, your chi will begin to follow you. Even onye na-agba afa nwere ike once you were afa o notice na o nwere mmụọ nsọ gị bata, ajụbazie nwa a ekwuo na ọnya bụ chi gị, obido manifest, because you know what the person is trying to do to connect your chi, ka your chi wee nye account. By then your chi will begin to manifest. Yes, and also it will be better if whoever that is doing your afa is not the type that normally interpret it in a layman language. It will be better if you understand Alpha language, so that you will be hearing it the way the person is doing it immediately. Because sometimes, if you don't hear the Alpha language and the person finish Alpha consultation, once you start asking the person might omit some certain things. That is normal. Yes, that's why I told you that real Alpha does not make mistake. However, the real mistake can come between human interpretation. So what I'm telling you that if you are one of those people that normally have problem with their guardian angel's name, you have so many names being mentioned, so many things cost it. Yes, inner disposition cost it. And again, so many people, especially called ones, read my ribs, called ones, and then we can because of that great gift the person won. And then look at these among the called ones. That is normal. Most called ones will gwag now a butterfly will have is because enwelo onye na-agba mbọ ka ọ connect onwe ete ebe ọ ga-eri ife maka na onye agbara ọrụ ugbo. So therefore they will be dragging it. That is normal. It will take a time before you will be able to find out the real person. And what says on also. That's one name. Then my name got other things where it calls this kind of dilemma, this kind of confusion, and finding out the real person that incarnated you. And with so many reasons. Many reasons sometimes only sit from the root. One, I will give you some instances. Sometimes it will be no only na abafa as in nage abron nage. It's not your father. Maybe the person you are calling his name as your father, as your biological father, is not your real biological father. Maybe even the town you are mentioning as your town of origin might not even be your town. In olden days, it's very easy to do Afonyo because in olden days, the chances of be very slim or zero. Olden days when there was high moral value, because you know the consequence of doing so. Father will tell you, my daughter, please never you bring shame to this family. We have reputations. And the olden days, one of the reasons why a woman can be sent packing is on two occasions, on two things. One, either the woman is involving herself in doing charms, negative charms, or the woman is involved in um, cheating. It's a taboo. So with these two things, you can send the woman packing. In the olden days, our Igbo people, Igbo culture does not divorce woman. If a woman character is not good, what she you need to do is for her to have assistant. Yes. But those days, issue of divorce is not common in Igbo land, unlike what we have now. So, but what I want to tell you is this. So many things can lead to this confusion, starting from the root. Maybe, ndị mmadụ na-ekwu na nwaanyị ma nna nwunye ya ọkwa eziokwu. It's only a woman will tell you truth honestly that so person is the father of my child, if she want to be truthful. Although most women will always keep it as secret till their grave. I can tell you, not up to 50% of married women with kids, with children, will beat their chest that they're 100% sure. Yes, that their present husband is responsible for their children. It's only few. Yes, harmful. Then, for that reason, because so many women are into infidelity of her, and a woman who is the father of a child is so dear to a woman. Yes, because the woman is the one, the carrier of the egg, of the spermatozoa is the woman. So 70% of the work needed in that pregnancy is done by the woman. So the woman have greater role to play in the child formation. So sometimes the mother of the that's why whenever you raise the issue of DNA, many women will start to jitter. Yes, jitter will set in. Now, the truth of the matter is that some of those children we are seeing, for the fact that they are not really biological descendant of that particular lineage, many things will be involved. Because if you want to do spiritual consultation, you ask the person their surname, meaning the father's ancestral name. Yes. You ask the person the name, the person will mention. But what if the person's name, the ancestral name is the person mentioned? Let's say the person mentioned Niabo Efanyo Okafor. But in the real sense, in the spiritual sense, this Efani is not known to the Okafor's dynasty. What of that Efani that claimed to be Ifeanyi Okafor from Oba? Let's say Ifeanyi Okafor from Umogali Oba. There is in the history and dynasty of the Umogali people, there is no thing like that Ifeanyi is not known. You know why? By the ancestors. The reason is that the Ifeanyi in question is not known in the family because the ancestors does not recognize him. Maybe it's this kind of a thing. Some women will, maybe they will playing around. Maybe so person got them pregnant. They still have two extra boyfriend. He will go to the right person that got her pregnant. The person will say, if I hear my name on your mouth, I will kill you. Out of fear, she will run away. Go to the other person. The person will say, me? The person will say, if I hear your name, my name in your mouth again, you will get it hot with me. The woman left with no option than the last person, the third guy. He went to the third guy and said, the other time you touched me, now I can't see my period, I'm pregnant for you. The person will say, is it me? Are you sure? He say yes. The person will welcome her. Maybe the person will hurry, go and pay her bride price before the pregnancy will come out. Now, I can tell you that what they just do is just a child. What they just do is just childish play. What they just did is not it. Because that particular child, that tomorrow, the child will be claiming to be a son of Okafo in Omogarioba. But in the true sense, the seed that formed that particular child is Emeka from Ugwoba in Enugu State. How will you justify that? What is simple means that when this particular guy that's supposed to be from Enugu State, Ugwoba, in Enugu State, because the man that got her mother pregnant is from Ugwoba, Enugu State. But maybe 20 years down the line, 30 years down the line, this guy want to go to consult Alpha. He will now ask this guy, where are you from? He will say his name is Ifeanyi Okafor from Oba, Anambra State. Now, the guy have provided false identity. It's like you going to lab. He provided another different identity, different blood, and different name. Different blood to the lab man. I can tell you that the result will bear the details analysis of the real blood donor, not you, that mistakenly the lab person put another name on the label of where the blood sample is. Are you following? So many have died because of this kind of carelessness. But in spiritual angle, you now ask, what is your name? You say, my name is Ifeanyi Okafor. From your surname, he say from Umogarioba. Libya will now start thinking. But in the real sense, you are Ifeanyi, but supposed to be from Ugwoba in Enugu State. But you have already presented yourself as being an Anambra person. Now, when the person that is casting the offer is asking questions, na agbokuchi onye ụwa Ifeanyi Okafor, na agboku ndị nna nna na ngurube Okafor dynasty to come and testify and tell us what we need to know about your son Ifeanyi, they will remain silent. Yes, because that Ifeanyi you are mentioning to the dynasty of Okafor is nobody. They don't know anybody like that name. Because you provided false identity. Then, a man that the Alpha, a Garamega Bagonia, Amus, Dawafa, the Gamus, Yana Bonafa, the Lamus. Now, the information I got in water is so confusing. Because the name, let me tell you why the name is confusing. The name you presented in Aguano, Garabano, Anna Barafa. Then, Hana Agwagi, Fodafa, and Agwagi. Na onye abịara ụnụ a na-agbala afa na ihe na-enye nsogbu n'ebe ụnụ bụkwanụ amoosu maọbụ ndị akara. Nwanyị ndị nna nna ị na-akpọzi afa ka ha testify ya ihe gbasara nne m ị na-agba afa. Ifo na ọ dị very different na ha nwere ike be nna ya dị originally be nna ya, ọ bụrụ na ndị amoosu bụ ndị problem. No, ebe mebiri ọfọ mana because na achịkọtara afa ga na-adị fọkwa, and by so doing we will be blaming the dibia afa na-agba the afa, while the real sense is not the dibia afa that is the problem. The problem is the problem is because of the wrong information given. Let me stop here. So some of these reasons is why some afo nyowa you will not get the right person, because the information I now supplied is different for the reality. Let me stop here. If you have questions in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. I repeat 0805-7837-672. See you tomorrow. No guy one case you. May the blessing of the Most High be with you all now and forevermore. Yeah, guys. Yeah.